here is how my I Am Shillong interview went. So I was the seventh candidate that day, and the same two male panelists who took our GD took our interviews as well. They started with the classic question, "Tell me about yourself." I told, and then they cross-questioned about my profile, my background, and journey. After that, the first panelist moved to the geopolitics and current affairs. He asked me about the trade deals that India has made in the last 6 months apart from the US. I told whatever I knew, and then he asked me, where does India import oil from besides the Russia? So I said Netherlands, UAE. As I mentioned, neither UAE. He asked me, how many Emirates are there in UAE? Emirates in UAE. I'm not even sure about all the states in India, and he asked me about the Emirates in UAE. So I was totally clueless. And after that, he asked me what is orange economy and what is the statement finance minister has made about that. So I knew the concept of the orange economy. I told, but I was not aware of the statement. After that, he asked me who is the governor of US Federal Reserve. I am aware about the RBI, SBI, and all the Indian banks, but US Federal Reserve, I was not aware. So I said, sorry, sir, I don't know. And after that, the second panelist took over and he asked more on the technical and about my academic background. He asked me if bank was building a website, so what tools, languages, and security methods would I use? So I mentioned a couple of coding languages, and I even mentioned blockchain for security. And he laughed and said, would it be all right to use blockchain? Is it secure enough? So I said, yes sir, it is the most secure method right now. And then he switched to maths and statistics. He asked me what is regression and correlation, example of independent and dependent variable, and lastly he gave me a inequality to solve, which I couldn't solve. I don't know why, and it was an easy equation too. And then this is how it ended. It was overall a mixed experience, and it was pretty comprehensive, I would say, but it was a fun experience. So that's all. I hope you guys learned something from my experience and prepare well. Bye bye.